This is a lot of crumbs.
I can clean it in a minute. Look at her. She's enjoying her bath.
And she's even now drinking.
Do we drink when we have a bath? Sometimes when it's first clean.
But you know how I drink when I'm having a bath?
How?
From the tap.
That's a good idea.
I go like this when it does, so it doesn't go in too fast.
Oh yeah, you lick it. Yeah, lick. Well, she kind of licks it. She's got a tongue. If you look at her, she has a little tongue, and oh, she's coming out. Oh, she's got a little. Oh, and she's gonna have something to eat. Oh no! Oh.
She's looking what it is.
Yeah, she just stretches, has a bath, a little spa day with you. Okay? She'll probably go back and have a bath. Okay. Good girl. See, she's got her tongue she's using. She's licking it up with her tongue.
And she chews it with her beak.
That's it. She cracks it into pieces, and then she just licks it into a paste. And it's like yummy food. Makes me want to have one. You too? Maybe later we'll have, okay?